Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Shisngi shwa bankut no ka Lempung Meghalaya Games ka balas dang nadu ka khatsau trek mentau benai rempang arjar arpo bat ka bansakut no Haka arpoi trek mentahi uju benai kinong yalam jang ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ka bapanya ye ka Lempung kilapan pau ye ka jing sokmen banyu i ya ka kom milek ka shitham kirang bat ki thai lek ka nakaleng ka jela haborok khatsau tri ki jing lek ka bat leng ba ka ni ka kom milek ka jongki ki Kyrmen ba Haka Lempung jang ka National Games ka ban salong house nam arhajar arpo kirang bat kita ilek kai nak ni jelaru kensala ban Khur Takma bon nak ni Lempung ya kani kidkhot nong yalam jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kila pen pau leng ba kinong pathai khobor ha ka jingi kendo batki ha ka janmiet jong ka arpo trek mentau benai rempang usnam arajar arpo.
We have completed about 9 disciplines today till yesterday. Tomorrow will be the last date, and where we will be completing another 4 left disciplines, right? Tomorrow 4 disciplines are left. Yes. Badminton, billiard, snooker, karate, and judo. We have distributed 131 sets of medals till yesterday. To archery, to athletics, to basketball, boxing, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, and wushu. These disciplines we have completed, we have distributed all the medals. We are left only with 4 disciplines to be completed. But I hope that the press will be more interested to know the medal tally, because yesterday some members of the press were asking about the medal tally. It is available with us now. As it is, East Kasils district has got 58 gold, 39 silver and 42 bronze. Ribhoi 18, 12 and 21. South West Khasi Hills 12 gold, 9 silver and 8 bronze. West Kent Hills District 10 gold, 11 silver and 10 bronze. East Kent Hills District 4 gold, 4 silver and 3 bronze. West Karo Hills District 2 golds, 8 silvers and 2 bronze. North Karo Hills 1, 4 and 2. East Karo Hills no gold, 4 silver and 2 bronze. South Karo Hills, no gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze. Southwest Karo Hills, no gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. This, of course, do not include shooting and swimming, because they don't do the district-wise, they were having the individual competition. For 8 gold, 4 silver and 12 bronze. Southwest Kassil District Sports Association, 6, 5 and 3. West Kentian District Sports Association, 5, 7 and 7. North Karo Hills District Sports Association, 1 gold, 3 silvers and 2 bronze. Tura District Sports Association, 1 gold, no silver, no bronze. East Kenta Hills District Sports Association, 1 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze. West Kasa Hills District Sports Association, 1 gold, 11 silver and 7 bronze. East Karo Hills District Sports Association, no gold, 3 silver and no bronze. Western Boys District Sports Association, they did not participate, there is no medal. South Karo Hills District Sports Association, 1 bronze only. So athletics, they have given that the Shillong Sports Association has got 1508 points, and then no. They have given out the best athletes for the boys and girls. So this information, the more detailed information, you should have from the office. This is what we have been doing till now, and for your information, the final day will be tomorrow. We will be having a formal closing at the Laban Sports Club in Hall at about 4 o'clock, right? At 4 o'clock, yes. At 4 o'clock, by where the karate discipline is going on, and we will close by that discipline. And we have arranged that there won't be any bouts. There will be only a demonstration by karate in front of the invitees, the special invitees that we have called for. There won't be a ceremony. It will be just a formal closing of the games, Meghalaya Games 2019.
As of now, we are extremely grateful that till now, the athletes from various associations who have concluded, except in one or two of the combat disciplines. The rest of the disciplines, we had a real good fitness levels, and in fact, even in swimming, we were checking today that it was, in spite of the cold, I have to congratulate the swimmers. The sporting spirit of the athletes can be seen. Yes, those who win the medal, those who lose the medal, the winning and losing is always there in the competition, but they have shown their true sporting spirit. This is what we are very happy. The athletes are really showing their sporting spirit. We will send a detailed report to the government. They have advised us also to send a detailed report, so that we will do only after the games are over. A comprehensive report will be submitted to the government on the strengths, whatever the weaknesses, or whatever improvement that we would like to move further. And we are, as you know, that day the Honorable Chief Minister in fact announced that this must continue. So we are hoping for that if this consistency continues, that either once every year or once every 2 years maximum, we have this consistency. I'm sure we will get more talents.
The rise of athletes from rural areas of the districts like West Khasi Hills in basketball. West Khasi Hills district defeated East Khasi Hills in both the men and the women. So this is after many years. So this is a big boost for basketball in the West Khasi Hills district. Then we see in swimming too. We see the grassroots swimmers coming from the far remote corners of Meghalaya, like North Garo Hills, Resubel Para, Shela, Then there's a place called Minska. I don't think any of you have heard of Minska. Minska is a remote village in West Khasi Hills, in West Jainti Hills, south of Shangpung. Then when you look at even athletics too, of course Shillong Sports Association have dominated, but the athletes that have really impressed all of us are from, again, rural areas. So we see a lot of potential, and Meghalaya State Olympic Association is hopeful that in 2022 these athletes will be in top form to compete in the national games. It's on ready mode for whatever is coming in 2022. Besides the Meghalaya Games, we also have the junior, national, sub-junior, then we have the national games, then we have the Northeast Olympic Games. So all these tournaments for each and every association, for each and every respective sport will be participated. MSVA is on the go, and we will try our best to see that each and every association participates in all these tournaments, in the nationals and in the regional tournaments. So this is a kind of a team cooperation which we are expecting our athletes to benefit from.